Hey, it's Dave with Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
Roasted butternut squash is sweet, savory, caramelized, and so good that even my grandkids ask for seconds. This is an easy side that belongs right next to your smoked turkey, prime rib, or ham on the Kamado Joe. It's simple, it's reliable, and it works just as well for a holiday spread as it does for a cozy weeknight dinner. Start by peeling the squash. The skin is tough, so use a sharp vegetable peeler. Take your time and work your way around until all the skin is gone. Next, cut it in half lengthwise. Scoop out and discard the seeds and all that stringy stuff in the middle. Now, cut the squash in about 1-inch cubes. They don't have to be perfect, just trying to keep them roughly the same size so they roast evenly. Set up your Kamado Joe for indirect heat at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the cube squash to a large bowl and drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle it with brown sugar, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Toss everything really well so every piece is lightly coated. That brown sugar is going to melt and caramelize in the smoker, giving you those glossy edges that everybody loves. Line a sheet pan with foil and give it a quick spray with cooking spray. Spread the squash out in a single layer. The space between the cubes helps them roast instead of steam. Place them in the Kamado Joe and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes until the squash is tender and starting to brown. About halfway through, take a spatula and flip over the pieces so they caramelize all the way around. While the squash is roasting, let's make a simple topping, fried sage. Slice fresh sage leaves into thin strips. Heat a thin layer of vegetable oil in a small, shallow pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the julienne sage. It only needs about 10 to 15 seconds, just until it starts to crisp up. Pull it out with a slotted spoon and drain it on paper towels. It should be crisp, fragrant, and a little darker. Once the squash is roasted, transfer it to a serving dish. Sprinkle the fried sage over the top and serve right away. This is fantastic with smoked turkey, ham, prime rib, or just grilled chicken on a weeknight. A link to the printable recipe is in the description. Hey, if you like the video, let me know. And if you like simple sides that make your Kamado Joe meals feel complete, hit subscribe and check out my other fall and holiday side dishes right now.